Hey guys, how's it going? Alright, I'm really excited to share this salad with you. Out of all the salads I make, this is absolutely my most favourite one. Alright, first thing we need is a bag of, I like using spiral pasta, but you can use any pasta you want, it won't wreck it. But if you want a excellent salad, use spiral pasta. Now I'm going to cook up about 3/4 of the bag. Alright, so we'll boil that up. So while the pasta's cooking, we want to slice up, look at these beauties, 2 large spring onions. I think they're also called green onions or shallots. Now they're sliced, set them aside for a minute. Now the next we need is seafood extender. Okay, now this one I got from the IGA supermarket in the frozen section. You can look in your frozen section of all your supermarkets first. If you also go to the deli section where they sell all your cold meats and your seafoods and salads and that behind the counter, they'll have it there too. But if you get it from there, all they've done is sort it out first and put it in the counter, and you don't know how long it's been there. So even if you can't find it, ask them and get it frozen. That way you can get it as fresh as you possibly can. So this is just a global one, but it's not bad at all. So 500 grams, half a kilo. Alright, so this one costs around $6. Alright, so what I like to do is when you go to fish and chip shops and that, and you get your seafood extender salads, they're usually big chunky bits with lots and lots of pasta, and yeah, you get a few bits and heaps of pasta. But the way I like doing it is I like that every time you pull up a mouthful of pasta, this is all through it. So what I'll do is just, it doesn't matter if you get it all fresh and it's in a pile, just shove it in a pile, and I like to just slice it, not too thin, but not too bad. And if you go through it this way, you'll see how you get really big pieces, but they're thin, and you get a lot of little pieces. So that way when you mix it up, you're not, just getting pasta, like it's equal ratio pasta to seafood extender, which is exactly what you want. So slice that all up, put it in a bowl and put that aside for a minute. The last thing we're going to need is the dressings, and I love to use coleslaw dressing, 1 bottle of coleslaw dressing, and 1 bottle of Thousand Island dressing or seafood dressing, and we mix them, and we use a whole bottle of each, and my glasses, 3 30ml bottles. I'm using the Praise. I'm bringing out the big guns for this one, yummy salad. But Aldi's is just as good as well. But yeah, if you can get Praise, definitely get that for this one. Coleslaw, Thousand Island. Alright, once your pasta's cooked, rinse it really well with hot water and then let it drain really well. And I like to grab it while it's just warm still. Yourself 2 spoons. Alright, make a hole in the middle, as much as you can. Alright, you want to pour in both of your coleslaw dressing and your Thousand Island dressing or seafood dressing. Pour them both into the middle. Out of your way. No, of course not. So they're both in there. Give them a good mix together. The next thing you do is you put your seafood extender in. Oh yeah. I can't tell you how good this is. Now when I chopped up the spring onions, sliced them up, I go right up to the dark green, and I'll put some of the dark green in the bottom first. So you put all your spring onions in, and I'll just leave a bit of that dark green, see the dark green from the tops, and I'll leave a bit of that, and we'll use that to sprinkle over and make it all pretty on top. Alright, now that is it. How awesome is this? 2 spoons, mix it all really well. Once you've mixed it all really well, put it into your salad bowl. This is an absolute stunner, and whoever said you cannot make friends with salad, you can't make friends with salad, you can't make friends with salad, they got no idea. You can make plenty of friends with this salad. Oh, it's so awesome. Okay, we get a little bit of the green spring onion. Garnish over the top. and you've got an awesome salad. Now, this goes with absolutely everything. In this household, we just eat bowls of it on its own. It's just so nice. It will last up to 3 days if you keep it cold in the fridge. Thanks heaps for watching. Definitely give it a crack. Now, you can also try it this way first because this is awesome like this. But if you want to add stuff to it, you can add a big handful of red capsicum, chopped really, really small. And you can also add 1 stick of celery, chopped really, really small. That tastes amazing too, but I just love it like this. Oi, take it easy guys. I'll be back real soon. Bye.